Hi, everyone, and welcome to the unboxing video of Monsters and Heroes. I'm Jack. I'm one of the team that helped create this game. So, what do you get? You get this nice little clamshell box with artwork created by our team. At the back, you have a summary of the contents and some general gameplay principles, how many players, how long it takes, and so on. So, let's get straight to it and see what's inside. I'm so excited to see this. I've seen it before, but every time I open it, I still get that same giddy, excited feeling. So, what do you get? First, you get the playbook. The playbook has literally all the rules that you will need, all the guidelines, all the different play modes that you will need to run the game either for yourself or for your group, your team. Again, this can be used either in social situations, families, friends, social gatherings. It can be used for work as well. It can also be used for solo play, for solo reflection. So everything you need is here. In fact, if you want to use it for coaching purposes, there are even processing and coaching questions embedded right here in the playbook. So everything you need to know to play the game is here. In addition to that, you get your play principles. So every time we start a session of Monsters and Heroes, we always go through the 5 essential play principles, which again are we all have monsters, we all have heroes. The cards are meant to be a mirror to help us better understand ourselves. Third, it's about the behavior, not the player. Four, create a safe space with no judgments. And fifth, if ever anyone feels uncomfortable about the subject matter or the topic being discussed, you can use the X card, which is right here on the reverse side of the play principles card. So someone just reaches for the X card, we stop the conversation, and then we decide as a group how we can move forward from there. You've also got your setup. So when you play the game, here's how you set up how the cards are set up, how laid out for you. We've also got the different quest options. So you have your discovery quest. So it's just about discovering what's your most common or frequent monster or hero. You've got your challenge quest. I'll talk about that shortly. And then you've got your story quest, which I'll talk a little bit more about shortly. So the challenge quest, rather than it about being the most frequent monsters or heroes that show up in your life, it's about using the next set of cards, these different scenario or quest cards. So the scenario cards can help prompt the conversation and then ask the question, if this is the scenario that we're currently facing, what kind of monsters or heroes come out in the group? Or for individuals, what comes out when I encounter this kind of scenario? And broadly speaking, you've got shared experiences. These are normally used in social settings, families, friends. You've got team challenges, which you can use in the workplace. So these are more workplace related challenges. And you've also got personal insight if you want to do this for solo reflection or for solo play. And of course, last but not the least, you've got the Monsters and Heroes cards. So the monster cards are the ones with the orange backing, and the hero cards are the ones with the blue backing. There's 30 each, so more than enough to help you decide, reflect, and identify your own monsters and heroes. Again, quick recap, you've got your monster and hero cards, 30 each. Go back in the box. You've got your scenario cards. There's also 30, 10 for each category of the scenario cards. You've got your here setup, different quest modes, and discovery structure when you actually play and share your monster and heroes. You've got your play principles. We always discuss them before we start the game. You've got the X card as a safety tool. And of course, you've got your playbook, which has all the information you need to play the game either for yourself or with a. And again, all of that comes neatly packaged in this nice looking, artful clamshell box. So thanks. Looking forward to having you try it and experience this yourself. If you have questions, feel free to reach out to us on our different social media channels. We'll be more than happy to explain any questions you might have or even demonstrate different modes of gameplay. Thanks and have a good day.